turn the knob.
Oh, I thought you'd push in and cut it off. Huh?
Probably.
It didn't though.
No, maybe it don't.
Because I pushed it in. Alright, Larry trying to get me copyrighted, guys. So anyway, hey, it's the next day here, guys, up here in Pigeon Forge. Me and Larry, we're about to go and get us some breakfast. This is where we're staying. Here, it's called All Season Suites here in Pigeon Forge. It's all right. I mean, it's kind of like a dated little hotel, but it's clean inside and stuff. And it's right here on, I guess it's called Veterans Boulevard and Dollywood Lane. So last night, man, we had a good evening. We stayed up pretty late and stuff. Stayed up on the strip. Got a lot of footage of some cool cars and stuff, man, and just hanging out, you know, just we smoked a few cigars and stuff, man. And my wife, she didn't stay, she ended up going back. I mean, she was down here already for like a week, hanging out with her sisters. So it's just me and Larry today, and we'll be here a little bit tomorrow. So right now we're about to head and get us some breakfast, and we'll probably end up going to the convention center. They got always having some nice cool cars inside the convention center and stuff. It looks like it's gonna rain. I mean, it's real cloudy. Look how cloudy it is up there. It's really cloudy. But whether it rains or not, we're gonna make the best of it, and we're gonna have fun doing it.
I'm not bailing you out of jail.
Alright, so we're gonna go. How you doing? Good morning. We're gonna go inside, and then we're gonna come back out this way, guys. Going into the entrance of the ride run. We're not inside the convention center, guys, so they only allowing so many people in at a time. They said yesterday was like a 2-hour wait to get in here, so we're gonna go ahead and get in here early. Alright guys, so we made it in. It wasn't too bad today. So we're gonna, no, yeah, not yet at least. Yeah. Well, where you want to hit up first, buddy? Cream of the crop cars in here.
I see this riding up down the strip like home.
I don't think so. Nice, Andy.
How long you guys been building customs out there? We've been in business for about 15 years. Cool. How big is your facility? We have about 10 cars.
Yeah.
I would have a car. I mean, I want to drive.
Yep.
I'm just looking. I don't want nobody's pictures.
We're so busy doing 4 wheels that unfortunately this cost of, unfortunately sometimes
That's nice, man. That's easy. Thank you.
Oh yeah, so we put the car for Mark Shaver out of you know, we sat down and we both kind of had a little similar vision with the car. We wanted to stock on the outside, a few little body mods here, little deals and cups and trims. With, you know, something that a car that's going to stand the distance out, something that's never going to go out of style, something that is going to look as good 30 years from now on our truck. So, we're very, very times, you know. What kind of frame is it? It has an all-motion chassis. It has a G Performance Parts 572 that we built.
Hey, how you doing? Oh, fine. Nice car, man.
Thank you. I like the wheels on it. I just did that.
Oh, yeah. Oh, that's powder coat. I like it. I like the steering column, the steering wheel, everything. It's really put together, man. How long did it take you to do this build?
I did the interior here in Knoxville.
Really?
He did it this spring. It took about a month to do it.
Yeah. So they did all of your interior? Like, what's the name of the interior company? Oh yeah. Yeah, he got it. I watch him on YouTube. He did, yeah. Now did Scotty get to review yours?
He thought that we could finish it out better than his other. Now, on the dash,
Cool.
do you analog gauges or did you go to code into?
Hey, nice talking to you. Nice talking to you. Nice ride, man. Check me out. I know you like that.
Yeah, I like that
I know
truck.
you like that right there.
I like an old mo car.
Yeah, I do too.
Bristol, Tennessee.
What? What's his name?
Mike Rudder.
I've never seen this one. You know that's what he probably says. Somebody go out there and get his car scratched up. This guy here from Bristol, Tennessee, guys. Hell yeah. I'm sure I could probably put my car in too, so I probably pay $1,000. I'm pretty sure. $1,000, I'm pretty sure. It may be more. Huh?
Pay you to be in it.
Yeah.
The new generation of kids coming up, they're going to be in a car show like this and go, oh man, did you see that guy who's trying to sell it? Golly, man, is that cool or what? And I'm thinking that's the next generation. Because GM,
It'll never be like that. You know what they're talking about? The next generation. It's always going to be classic cars. Yeah, these are always going to be classic. There they go, Nissan Supras. Those aren't going to be classics, man. No, it just don't. It don't happen like that.
Hell yeah.
that will be in these shows. And I don't mean like trucks, you know, all the crazy hydraulics. I mean, those
Yeah, man, look at that. What is this? A 60, what is 62, 63?
They can put out the damn paper field, they can pour all the pieces. Oh, yeah. And then when you did anybody did find them, they bring it down and put them in a bucket.
Underneath of this one.
Yeah, I was shut up.
Thank you.
Foxbody Mustang. You guys, I think we start seeing some that's been here. And, you know, 79, 80 Chevy Malibus, you know, those are pretty cool cars.
And I'm going to tell you about a car that I've never seen in a car show. One of the coolest cars that's ever been manufactured. I'll just go through it. It's about a Chevy car. When Chevron entered production, they replaced the Chevron. You know, who knew this over there, Scotty D? Why did Chevrolet replace the Chevron? And it was only a 2-year production run. And you never find them anywhere. It was called the Chevy Laguna Type S.
I figured it was.
Hendrix Motorsports did this.
Oh, you know what? That's another one.
It was the Laguna Type S3. Actually, the only one where
That's right about boss.
and then in 74, it went to the Laguna. And they had 454s with at least 165.
I like it.
Yeah.
I like the way you do it.
Uh-huh. Oh, yeah. All right, guys. So, hey, that was a quick. Well, I guess it wasn't quick, man. But hey, that's the type of stuff we're gonna be showing all weekend here at the car show. I hope you guys enjoyed all the cars and trucks that we just showed, man. I tell you what, there's some beautiful vehicles, guys. Beautiful vehicles, and several guys was from our hometown in Bristol, guys. So, hey, I'm gonna get out of here right now, guys. Make sure you guys catch the other videos of the Raw Run show down here in Pigeon Forge. Hey, and if you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to others, man. Hey, we're having fun over here, guys. And like I always tell people, if you got a fast car or a fast truck, smoke them if you got them, baby. CJ's out, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.